If you haven't tried 2 on your own yet, you should either pause this video and do it on your assignment, or go back to the last slide and do it on the earpod. But if you have done the number 2 and you're checking your work, the answer to number 2 is 558 meters squared. 2 is very much like 1 in that it's another rectangular prism. So I'll call this face A, I'll call these side faces B, and I'll call the top and bottom faces C. The area of A, it's this 9.4 by 13 rectangle, which is 117 and 5.2, 222.2. The area of face B, B is this side rectangle. It's 13 by, I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is, but I know this is 7, so these must be 7. So 13 by 7, which is 91. Area of face C, that's this top or bottom. This is 7 by, this is 9.4, this must be 9.4. So 7 times 9.4 is 63 and 2.8, so 65.8. And just like all rectangular prisms, you're going to have each distinct face is doubled because it's got a congruent twin, on the opposite side of the polyhedron. So I've got 2 area A's plus 2 area B's plus 2 area C's. So 2 222.2s, which is 444.4, plus 2 91s for area B, that's 182, plus 2 65.8s. 2 65s is 130, and 2 8/10ths is 16/10ths, which is 1.6, so 131.6. Now I can associate to my advantage. These go well together because of the 4/10ths and the 6/10ths. That's actually why when I glanced at my homework to see what the answer was, I thought for a minute I had the wrong answer because I had a whole number, and I didn't realize these tenths add up to one whole. Like the 4/10ths and the 6/10ths is one whole. So I'm just going to keep in the back of my mind that I have one more whole than I have when I add 444 and 131. 444 and 131 is 575, plus that extra one whole is 576, plus the 182 is 600 and another 150, so 750 plus 8, 758, which makes me think that I either have the wrong answer on my homework here, or I did something wrong on this. I did something wrong on this, and I wonder how many of you caught it. When I did 9.4 times 13 mental math, I did 9 13s, and I got, I have a 90 and 27, I have 117, but in my mind I had 217. So this should really be 122.2. I don't mind when I make a mistake like that, even on a video. Like I could go back and edit this, edit that out, or redo it. And I don't not do that out of laziness. I do that out of showing you that everyone makes mistakes. And if you were with me at the beginning of the year, most of you were, you understand it's a mistakes allowed zone in math class. It has to be. You have to be willing to make mistakes and learn from them. You can't get better at math without making a lot of mistakes. So there's one of mine, and I'm going to correct it right now by understanding that this is now 244.4, which means I have 200 less than I thought I had, so this is a 376, which makes this 200 less, which is 558, which matches the answer I gave you at the start. 558 meters squared. I should have realized if I did a quick estimate, 9.4, let's just say it's close to 10. 10 times 13 is 130. There's no way I could get over 130 if I overestimated this 9.4 is a 10. So in any case, we caught that mistake, and